Sometimes the world can be upsetting, gloomy and gray. Walking around in circles, you don't know the way. Is that the truth or only a perception? Is the fog over me of my own invention? Will I mistake a drop of sunshine for an ugly day? I will dance to the beat of the pounding rain. I'll drain away my worries and I'll stomp in all the pain. The pulsing chaos is more than all the fun. A rhythm of life, the beat of a drum. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, 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 hey, hey, hey. Riding down the subway, not sure what to say. How are you supposed to feel after a bad day? The train comes to a stop, the door begins to move. A sound from outside the car brings music to your blues. But the rhythm is old, there's little change in his hat. The song inside his soul proves that there's light under the track. And I dance to the beat of the pounding rain. I drain away my worries and I stomp in all the pain. The pulsing chaos is more than all the fun. A rhythm of life, the beat of a drum. And I dance to the pulse of the pounding rain. Surrounded by love, we rejoice once again. The beat of our hearts is a part of the rain, a part of the rain. When I'm falling, I hear it calling, still in the pounding rain. When I'm falling, I hear it calling. And I dance to the beat of the pounding rain. I drain away my worries and I stomp in all the pain. The pulsing chaos is more than all the fun. A rhythm of life, the beat of a drum.